Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable speed cameras on Google Maps. With this feature, you can stay updated on speed limits and avoid those annoying traffic fines. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. At the top right, tap your profile picture to access the menu. From here, scroll down until you find the settings option, then go ahead and tap on it. Once you're in settings, look for navigation settings. This is where most of the important features are. Now, find the option labeled speed limits and make sure it's switched on. This will allow Google Maps to show you speed limit information while you drive. After that, return to the main screen and tap on the map layers icon. This is the icon with 3 stacked layers, usually found in the top corner of the map. In this menu, select the default map type and make sure the traffic layer is enabled. By doing this, Google Maps will not only display real-time traffic updates, but also notify you of speed cameras along your route. If your country supports this feature, you're all set. Google Maps will now alert you to speed cameras while you plan or follow a route. But if you can't find these options in your app, make sure your Google Maps is updated to the latest version. Some regions might not have speed camera alerts enabled yet, so check if your area supports this feature. And if not, you can always explore third-party apps that integrate well with Google Maps to get similar notifications.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.